First one possession for Dino Rapa. Here's for Mr. Rapa for shot. No. JP gets a rebound. Off to Avilo, who is now with another. He sets a place. Up and top for a shot. And from downtown, Rui! There's a good Paraganoy off the FedEx. Attracting on the run. He goes up, he gets his own miss. The foot back. Good. First 2 points. Here's Avilo, over the other side. Nice fade. JP drops it off the left hand. Josh he goes all the way. Sarao 4 rebounds already. No face. On the other side. 4 points, 4 rebounds. The kick now. Good defense. By Dave off the Crawford and it's Ibanez. He goes all the way. First 2 points para kay Nino. Good transition offense. From a good defense of who is now top of the key. Back to JP. Sarao looking inside. To Object. And right to Gordon on top of the key. He fires from downtown. Rui! Second 3-pointer para sa MX TV.
Score is 5.
Then for 3 from downtown. Rui! Good shot from the young Lars off the bench. Here's Angelo. Open the right side of Leonard. Inside the Ozzy. Nasaan back to JD. Sarao reaches inside. Basket is good. And one. It's been an X factor so far. And he completes a 3-point winning 15-8 to 7-point lead. Free throw line jumpers. All good for 2. Straight away shot at the middle. First 2 points down from the boy. JD pass to Andaya and great assist there. Both big guys. Straight away. Here's Prado. Off the net, same spot. Same result. Rui! He cuts down. Here's Angelo off the JD. Good ball movement. Corner shot. Answers back. Rui ball. Under 4 minutes remaining. People in jumper. Shot fence. Back and forth. Rebound. Angelo now. Outlet pass. Harry Gomar. Off the Bernard. He goes off. A power ball game. Off the fake. Here's Gomar. The kick out. Pass. Leon. Martel. The kick out. For 3. No. Rebound there by Barr. Get foul on the offense. Off the rock. Here's Suma. The ball. Free throw line. Jen is good. 4 points off the bench. 2 minutes and a half remaining. Off to the baseline. Great fake for 80 space. Good backs out there. Offensive board and he gets that 2 points. 12 minutes remaining. Quarter number 1. Off to the kick out on top of the key. Inside. Here's Montero. The corner to his teammate. That's all the way to 2. Off to the handle, but there was, he goes all the way. Strong ball to the basket. Ball game, let it off. Here is Nino Ibanez with a ball fake. And he gets that 2 points. Defense by Noy. Outlet pass on the offense. Taylor Olivario. Touchdown. And a steal. Back to JR. Maligali on the break. Shot for 3 from downtown. Rui! Outlet pass, touchdown. Gets that 2 points. Para Christopher. 0.7. Here's Card. Hand up to Nino. Back to Rob. Takes that shot from 8 out. Getting that shooter's bounce. Off to the kick out. Porter shot. To the sideboard. Nino gets the rebound. There's Ibanez off the player. Olivario goes all the way now. Ibanez attacking in the lane. The kick out para kay JR. He is on fire. 10 points off the bench. That's a 3-pointer for Olivario. Here's Bodisha. Mark with a handle again, trying to make an answer, and he lost. Mark Bautista, 3! First point, first 3-pointer para kay Mark. JR, he tagged. He tipped that one. On the offense, he tries all the way to Brazil. Good right.
58 minutes 30.
Here's Noy, Provoso, inside pass para kay Card. He fades, Jordan, batting for the rebound. Hendricks Stevie on the offense. 3-2 break, he goes all the way with the lefty. No mark, 38-34. Here's Ibanez, feed the line, answers back. It's Mark Bautista, inside pass by MJ, hand it off. Easy, 3 points for the big guy, Dian Mateo. Hard, banks it in. Both teams are on. And here's Hendrick Stevie on the run. Here's Kobe, the kick out. MJ, driving in. And Jose. Off their cross-court pass. Our second for 3. That's an air ball. Oh, look at that rebound and the reverse. Here's Jonathan. Off the Nino and he's down. 8 for Bowie. Off the MJ. Back on top of the knee. Good ball movement. This time, shot clock running down. For 3-quarter, 3-point.
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds.
Here's Nino. 3-ball on the way. 3-point. 44-46, a 2-point ball game. Heading off and off the gas. All of the players now has a score, a well-balanced scoring for Hendrick Stevie. Here's Nino. He's been hot in this quarter. 11 points for him. Off the net with 2 3-pointers. Here's De La Cruz, baseline. Step through, miss and miss. Offensive rebound. Trying to make a clean up. Half touchdown. Here's Samson. The letter. Official score 45-49. Making his way in. First entry of the ball game already scored. Here's Senior. Off to De La Cruz. Pulls off. Off the bench. Para kay De La Cruz. Front court. Off the tape. Hindi lang extra pass. There with the reverse.
30 seconds.
Under a minute remaining. Here's Mo De La Cruz. Hand it off para kay Ned. Extra pass. De La Cruz nag-kick
10
out.
to shoot.
Net on the shot clock. Dave fakes, fires. No, flip in there by Ned.
12 seconds.
He got all the way. Crazy. Off the knee. He plays at the point for 2D. This is that one or rebound para kay Leonard. Here's Kense. Ball to Manilo. Back to MJ. Bounce pass. Alzi making his way off the glass. 8 patience over. Here's JP. Short snap. It's good. Off the kick out now. Here's JP. Going on the right for Dre. No. Thompson with the rebound off the MJ. Cross court. From downtown. Here's JP. Oh, raining away. And that is good for JP's out. Better than goal from JP. And they are Olivario. No one guarding him. 14. He's the leading scorer. Para sa 2D long bomb. Renard trying to create space. The kick out. MJ attacks. Santiago fakes. Bombs. Drives. Brings it in. Here's Leonard. Santiago on the ball. Good defense. Angelo for three. Travis happy for the rebound. Good. Here's Rafasolino all the way. This is the hit. He takes it off. He loses the possession. JP. Touchdown. Oh, Eagles will miss. Tinagdagan lang. The biggest thing was 50 points earlier. JR fighting after Joey. Off to Nino. Inside basketball. Surprise in. There's a foul. With Santa Rosa. Dali na bola para kay Joshua. Swing in, out and pass. JR picks it up. Waiting for his teammate Nino. Catch and shoot. Out is in for three. What a shot. It's down to one. Here's Zoe, the kick out for three. There it goes, three. Okay, here's the ball game. 1 point ball game. Here's Ibanez on the cross, baseline back to JR. Off to Felix, inside. Bombs, good defense there. Cross-court pass, they reset. Off to the high pick, off to Felix. Felix goes all the way. Basket is good and one. They're leading by 15 points earlier now. They're up by 2. Baseline drive, forcing the Nino there. Nino gets a rebound. Off the Felix at record. Neff picks it up to Musbon. Kick out para kay JR. Here's Solidario. On the board. He goes all the way. This one's down. Up and under. Boom. Tapik ang bola down. Here's Solidario. For 20. This is off. Rebound. Here's Leonard. Looks for teammate. And it's over now para kay Nino. Ibanez, step back. There's Angelo Bunes. Off to Ozzy. And Ryan handed out back. Para kay Leonard. JP Sarao. All players. Catches that basketball. Back to Ozzy and Raya. Short stab is good. 2-pointer by MJ. 81. There's JR for three from downtown. Three.
15 to shoot.
Horizon, Leonard, in and out. Off the kick out to JR. Ibanez hesitates. There's a 3-point ball game. Off to Felix. Argreco now. Back to Ibanez. Shot clock winding down. Bounce pass, Felix. Off the extra pass, one-hander. 2 points by Veracruz. It's 86-81. Here's Angelo, the cross, the drive, the bomb, basket is good, and more. 17 on the other end.
15.
Off the spin, and he goes up. Donovan up. Here's MJ. Wants to make a move. Oh, JP with a nice fake. Accident. 22 points. JR, to Nino. Ibanez, open Nino. Make his way in. Kick out. Nino. First for Dre. No, hold back there. To Angelo. Back to MJ. Cross-court pass. Leonard.
5 minutes 30.
Loses and JR getting the steal. 3 in 1 way. And JR goes all the way. 22 points.
15 2.
Here's Alton. Inside pass. Quick shot. In and out. Pumped out. Batting for the loose one. And the Cruz gets it. They loses it. To the corner for play. Angelo Cruz, Rui. Ball against the loose ball. The kick out. JR for play. Too strong. And that's to the board. That's to Olivario. Step through off the glass. 24 points. 6 minutes have gone by. Here's Alvin Anaya. He wants to attack De La Cruz. Alvin.
5 seconds.
Great pass, praise it in. Good finish. Here's Nino, the cross. Leading to defenders, step in. Figure left, no. David events the rebound, quick shot, taps it. 19 points. Let it go back. The corner. Myers, numbers good. That's a long two. Focus on the up.
10. 5.
Nice. Good defense. Close range shots good. Three-point. That's 2-minute mark of this ball game.
10.
96-99. 3-point lead.
5.
Here's JR. The kick out. One-hander. Pass good. Great shot to pick the buzzer. Keep him on the way. Ball tap out. Oh, Dave gets a rebound. Front court now to JR. We're up by 5 points. And it off.
18. 5.
Keep the line, ball. Looking for the rebound. They get the possession.
5 seconds to shoot.
Here's Hernandez inside the road. Forcing the issue. Good. Off the first down. Here's Angelinos all the way.
50 points seconds remaining.
Here's Boyd. Off to JR. Here's Olivario. Now the one. They get the steal. Up to the takeout. Inside. Right on back. Off to JR.
25
Here's
seconds.
Olivario. The cross forward.
15 to shoot. 30 seconds.
Spin. Shot. No. Cross. They get the possession.
10 to shoot.
Get away. Go.
15 seconds.
15 seconds remaining. Get away. No. Shot good. It's a foul. And a steal. They get it. 3 seconds remaining to be the clock. Get away. Get away. And that should do it at the end